Wake up at 6 a.m. Let's read it again. I wake up at 6 a.m. I turn off my alarm. Let's read it again. I turn off my alarm. I make my bed. Let's read it again. I make my bed. I wash my face. Let's read it again. I wash my face. I take a bath. Let's read it again. I take a bath. I brush my teeth. Let's read it again. I brush my teeth. Let's read. I get dressed. Let's read it again. I get dressed. I comb my hair. Let's read it again. I comb my hair. Let's read. I eat breakfast. Let's read it again. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Let's read it again. I go to school. School start at 8 a.m. Let's read it again. School start at 8 a.m. English is my favorite subject. Let's read it again. English is my favorite subject. Let's read. I have lunch. Let's read it again. I have lunch. Let's read. I get home. Let's read it again. I get home. I take a nap. Let's read it again. I take a nap. I Have a snack. Let's read it again. I have a snack. I play computer games. Let's read it again. I play computer games. I do my homework. Let's read it again. I do my homework. I read a book. Let's read it again. I read a book. I play with my friends. Let's read it again. I play with my friends. Let's read. I eat dinner. Let's read it again. I eat dinner. Let's read. I wash dishes. Let's read it again. I wash dishes. Let's read. I watch TV. Let's read it again. I watch TV. Let's read. I go to bed.